My name is Anna. I started coming here when I was pregnant. I was about 24 weeks pregnant and having really bad pelvic pain. So I started coming, and then I've continued since I had my baby and postpartum. When I was pregnant, I had very bad pelvic pain, back pain. So I was recommended to come, and then we did some core strengthening postpartum, and now we just do strengthening everywhere. I think we just focus more overall on strengthening, being able to carry the baby and picking up, squatting, things like that. So yeah, I just feel, I'm also bartend, so I overall just feel a lot stronger. I'm able to lift easier. I focus more on my core strength rather than, back, things like that. So I actually know Kristen, one of the physical therapists here, through just friends, and she told me about Limitless, and then when I went to my OBGYN, this was actually where they recommended, so it worked out. Priya, Kristen, they both are just explained everything really thoroughly. They help me understand, core strength and being intentional when you do things like that. And showing is also a big thing. I was able to watch them do it, and that helped a ton. Being able to pick up my baby a lot easier, carrying this, the car seat, being able to work and not have pelvic pain. A lot of it went away after I had him, but there was still some lingering pain, and I'm pretty much pain-free now, so we love that. Oh, so inclusive, so friendly, especially like walking in through the door. Katie just smiling and being flexible, that's a huge thing, and just always feeling welcomed has been great. And no judgment, like if I can't do an exercise very well, there's no shame, which has been great. Do it. Yes, especially pregnancy. I've actually recommended my sister. She's pregnant. She started pelvic floor therapy, and it's been great for her. It works. I was skeptical, but it works. Yeah, absolutely. 100% to everyone.